back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas. Welcome to this Christmas room transformation. It is officially December 1st. That means it is officially the Christmas season. No one can give me any hype about decorating early because it is officially December. I did a video similar to this last year when I was in New York City with my friends, and I absolutely love that video. I just feel like it's so happy. The Christmas spirit really makes me feel good. So I thought I would make this a little annual tradition. This year I kind of decked out my bedroom at home. You guys of course have a little sneak peek in the background, but I wanted to take you from the top to the bottom, show you what we were working with before and what we finally ended up with. I pulled out my Merry Christmas turtleneck. I got this at Walmart actually last year. Wearing the shawl, I don't even know what it is, but I actually love it. Maybe I'll wear this on Christmas Eve or something. It's super cute. I did have to change a little bit of the background to get this little setup, but you guys, I even wrote down a whole, what is this? I even wrote down a whole guide for myself for this video. I recently posted a Black Friday haul. It is only November 30th, so that was just a few days ago. You guys absolutely love that video. Thank you so much for that response. I definitely gained quite a bit of subscribers, which I was waking at, so welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I want to be a good YouTuber for you guys, so I definitely made sure to write down what I wanted to get through. So if you guys are excited for Christmas, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you guys decorated your room, I'd love to see it as well. Just leave me a link to your video and of course check it out. I will not be doing daily Vlogmas vlogs, but I will of course be uploading in December, so technically, you know, I'm participating a little bit. I want to get right into this video. Again, thank you for being here, and let's just start because I don't want this video to drag on. We want to be happy. We want to be going. We want to show you guys this transformation. We of course need to start with a blank canvas. I want to show you guys what this room looked like before. I did try and decorate for the Halloween and fall time, and I say try because I just kind of changed the blanket. I didn't really do too much. There's definitely some things that needed to be put away. In order to know how to decorate, you kind of got to see what you're working with. So let's go back to about maybe a month ago and see what this room looked like before. Okay guys, so now is the time in the video where I'm going to show you guys the before, show you guys what we're working with. But the only problem is we are currently in November. It's daylight savings. It's only 6 o'clock at night, but it looks like it's 11:30 p.m. So I don't really know how to set up the ring light and like film my entire room without having to rotate it. So I just put on my little TikTok lights to the orange color. I feel like it kind of fits the mood. Right now my room, I attempted to make it somewhat Halloween and fall vibes, so I think the lighting will be fine. I don't know how it will look on camera. We're just gonna have to see. So I want to show you guys what we have so far. Right when you come into my room, I have my nightstand. Ignore the cords. The only decoration I have is this little pumpkin. I got a few of these from the dollar section at Target, and you'll see them throughout my room. That's really the only thing I have over here. As far as my bed goes, it's not too decorated. I do have this blanket I got at Marshall's. It's just a nice orange throw blanket, and then I did swap out my sheets for this buffalo check. It's the same on the entire bed. I think I'm gonna keep those for Christmas. And then this is a little Tigger plush that I actually got, and it does coincidentally match the orange theme, so I think I'm just gonna have to hide him for Christmas. And then we don't really have anything on the walls. Over here on my bookshelf, I do have this little pumpkin. This was from Marshall's, as well as this little Hermione Pez that she has her witch hat on, so it kind of matches perfectly. And then up on top here, I do have a ghost hidden in the back. That's also from Marshall's. Coming over to this side of my room, I have this little sign that I got at Hobby Lobby. It just kind of blends in. It says Good Morning Pumpkin, really simple. I did already put out this small tree, and I have the holiday group, but regardless of that, I don't really have anything fall or Halloween on my desk. Same here over on my clothing rack, nothing really crazy. And then when we get to the dressers, I do have the Disney Store 2020 Halloween Mickey. Super cute. I have this small pillow I just threw up on my dresser. It's from Hobby Lobby. And then these two Funkos kind of match the orange theme, so we have Ed Sheeran and BB-8. And then this is my fall Bath & Body Works candle. This is the pumpkin pecan waffles. I'm obsessed with this candle. I'm like so sad to put it away, but it doesn't match for Christmas, but that one smells so good. And then right on the other side, I just have a few more of those dollar section Target pumpkins. I think this one might have been $2 or $3, but these just a little family of pumpkins. So yeah, that is what we're working with. It's kind of good. There's not too much stuff because I don't really have to put a lot away. So upset to put this candle away. It smells so good. I do think that the orange lights definitely help kind of like create the mood. It's just a few subtle pieces, and I definitely want to go a little bit more for Christmas. So now that we know what this room looks like, of course we need to shop. I'm definitely a shopaholic, so once I saw what this room looked like and what it needed, I went right to the store. I got into the car with my friends. We went to our mall. I of course stopped at the Disney store, and I feel like last year when I decorated my college dorm for Christmas, we hit Five Below because it's super cheap, super cute. And this year in particular, it's blowing up all over my For You page, Christmas Five Below hauls. So after seeing all of these Christmas hauls on TikTok, we got into the car, we went right to Five Below, and I also stopped at a few other stores along the way. So let's go back to, again, about a month ago and see what we got. Of course, no Hannah shopping spree would be complete without a haul. I make my family and friends sit through everything I buy and haul for them. So this is no exception. I want to sit down with you guys, show you everything I bought, and I also want to show you some things I've already owned from past years that I want to include in my room. So let's sit down. I'll show you guys some things I bought, and we love a haul. Thumbs up for a haul. Okay guys, so now that you've seen me shopping, I thought it would be perfect to sit down and do a formal haul, kind of show you guys everything I got. So the first store you saw me and my friends go to was the Disney store. I've definitely been on like a Disney kick during quarantine. If you guys noticed during the before of this, even up here I got my Tigger, I have a bunch of Funkos, I have the Disney store plush. Like, I've been going through a Disney phase. The first thing I saw when we walked in was this candle. This is a really cute candle. I've also kind of been getting into candles a little bit more. This just says the sweetest time of the year. It has this really cute gingerbread Mickey, and the only reason I wanted to really go to the Disney store is because they have little plushes of Mickey and Minnie as gingerbread, and I did see them back when they first put out their Christmas stuff, but it's now sold out. It's sold out online, and I don't know if I'm gonna get it. If I do end up finding it, I will be buying them, but for now I don't have them. But anyways, this candle is super cute. The back has like a candy cane Mickey, and then it is in the gingerbread scent. And since I couldn't get the gingerbread plush, I still wanted to get a plush because they were on sale for $14. I have Sven, who if you don't know is a reindeer from Frozen. I got him last year, so he'll look perfect in my Christmas room, but I had to go ahead and buy. I had to get Olaf. He's obviously Sven's best friend, and he's a snowman, so he fits perfect for Christmas. Here's his little Frozen 2 tag, and like I said, this was on sale for $14. I think it's usually like $23 or $24. The last two things I got at the Disney store aren't for my room, but I'll show you. I just got these little Christmas masks. This one says Joy. It looks like a candy cane, and then this is like a red buffalo check with like a bunch of Santa Mickeys. I didn't vlog it, but that same day I was with Colleen and Gabby. We did go to Target. I didn't get anything because everything was like $20. But I did find something that I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's just so cute. I love it, and I needed it. Okay, so it's this little mailbox, and you can like put the thing up so it looks like there's mail. Has a little pull. Like, how cute. Oh, this is like the little card from the Disney store, but like, how cute is this? It says letters to Santa, North Pole. Are you lying? It was only $10. Like, what am I gonna do with this? I want to make it functional. Like, I don't want to be like just wasting money, so I want to like make it functional. Maybe I can put like socks or something in there, but like, how cute is this? I knew I needed to get it. Next, we went to Five Below, which is like Christmas Wonderland. This is the place to go. I've seen it all over TikTok. It's viral on there. So the first thing I saw and the first thing I bought is, of course, the $5 tree. This is all over TikTok. The little tag actually ripped off, but it's in this bag. It's a pretty decent size, and it's only $5. So I don't think it has lights on it. I think I'm gonna have to like put my own lights on it. But there you go. I'm a little nervous for how that one's gonna be, but I've seen it all over TikTok. And of course, I had to get a tree skirt. So this was $3. It's just to go around the tree. And they don't have the best stocking selection. I mean, again, everything is under $5, so we have to like, you know, it's okay. This is the stocking. Like, I'm not really sure what's going on with the shape here. Also, there's like a bunch of like glitter on it. But this is the one I picked out. It's like red buffalo check. It is really soft, so I'll give them that. But like the shape, I mean, I don't know. I hope it just gives the effect. Then I saw these blankets for only $5. They're not the best quality. I can already tell they're really thin, but it's so soft. I really like this pattern. This is just like a reindeer pattern. I do have a red buffalo check blanket that I'm going to replace this one with. It's currently in the wash. I think I'm just going to drape this one over my chair. My chair is white, so I think like this will look good on top. Then I just got two of these trees I've also seen all over TikTok. I think these were $3, but as you can see, they are in these bags because they're so messy. I think I'm going to spray them with hairspray. That's what my friend told me to do. And then I think these will like kind of replace the pumpkins. The last thing I got from Five Below is this sign. It is actually pretty decently sized. This was $5. It says Joy. It's supposed to look like little wood or shiplap. It's not. It's so thin. It like hangs with like this little piece of rope twine, and it's really cute for $5. They had another one. I think it says welcome. I don't know if I'm gonna hang it up in my room because now that I'm looking around, I don't really know where this could go, but if anything, I'll just put it downstairs in my house because it's really cute. So the last store I went to was Michael's. I only went with one intention, and that was to get fake snow. I want to add this on like the countertops on my dresser. I'm not sure about my desk because I don't think that's really practical, but maybe on my nightstand and my bookcase. Got this really big bag for $10. I'm afraid that it's going to look too much like a spider web, like Halloween. This is the buffalo snow, so yeah. If you need it, go to Michael's. All of the Christmas stuff at Michael's was 40% off. So I saw these little like Santa string lights. I don't know where I'm gonna put them. Maybe I'll put them on the tree. They're just really cute. Me and my family love the chalkboard look. We have a chalkboard in our dining room. So I got this little chalkboard easel. It says 'tis the season to be jolly. It just like sits back like this. This was originally $8, so it was only like $5. And then the last thing I got was this green plaid little H sign. I really love green. My nails are actually painted like a Christmas tree green. I feel like I don't have enough green decor, so this one's really cute. Okay, so that is everything I've purchased, but now I just want to show you a few small things that I already own. I stole this from my downstairs. It's just this little like candy wrapper, candy cane looking jar. I do want to make this useful, so maybe I'll swap out like my makeup brushes. This is just really cute. It kind of ties in some more red and white. And lastly, I have the New York City red plaid pillow. My mom got this for me last year. She sent it to me when I was in the city, and I'm obsessed with this pillow. I think this was from either Marshalls or HomeGoods. It is so cute, you guys. So I think that will be enough to bring in the Christmas spirit. So now it is time to do the grand reveal. I did actually want to go through and vlog with you guys as I was actually decorating, making all the decisions, but I accidentally wiped the memory card. So that's totally my fault. I'm so sorry. I did end up having to call my mom in here and actually have her help me because I don't think I could have done it alone. I decorated and it didn't really look that good, and then my mom came in and I was like, okay, HDTV. So I'm obsessed with how this looks. I cannot wait to show you guys. I want to show you guys during the day and also at night. It's almost 9 o'clock at night, and I do have my TikTok lights on in the yellow setting because I thought that was the most fitting, similar to these like Christmas lights. I feel like it's so much more Christmassy when the Christmas lights are on. So starting with the door, I got this garland from CVS actually, and it was pretty inexpensive. The lights are already pre-attached, so it's really easy. You plug it in, and we just use push pins to kind of keep it to the door. I'm obsessed. Ignore that. I just put the Five Below stocking here, and that really is it for this kind of wall. I added a little bow to my Harry poster. I'm still keeping it pretty minimal over here. As far as my nightstand goes, I got this from Rite Aid actually. This whole week I've kind of just been picking things up as I see them, and then I added the little jar over here with my remotes, and then the fake snow of course, and again that's really it. Super simple. As far as my bedding goes, it's a lot of plaid, so I kept the buffalo check sheets. I got this pillowcase that I already owned and that same New York City pillow, and then this throw blanket just says Merry right here on the bottom, and I got this from Marshalls. It was around like $20-25. I didn't add anything to the records, but I did put the Five Below sign here. I thought this is where it looked best. And the only other Christmas decoration I put here was the tinsel, so I'll back away, you guys can see the full effect. And then right next to there is the tree. I feel like this is truly the star of the show. It looks so good. Ignore all of this. I did just go Black Friday shopping, so I'm working on getting better storage for that. But I did take out my AC unit, so that definitely helps a lot. So this tree topper was from CVS as well. It is really cute, silver tree topper. I added this little ribbon we had. I added my little stocking ornament, and then these lights I had to add as well. It didn't come pre-lit. It is super cute. I definitely think you guys need one. I never really put a tree in my room except for this one, which the lights are out, so it's just gonna have to stay unlit, but this definitely makes like the room complete. I added this little bear that I already had, and then just this little present box. It's empty. Super cute. So again, this tree isn't lit, has one lonesome ornament, and I'm just gonna have it here for show. I did get another one of those present boxes, and I'm just storing all of my products in there. It's much cleaner than just having the products on display anyways. Same for my makeup brushes. I usually keep my makeup brushes in this little holder, but I got this round cylinder present box from HomeGoods. It has a bunch of different dogs on it. I love it. So cute. And then nothing really here. This is the top actually to the box, but I feel like the top is the cutest part. So I have another box over here on this side of my desk, again just with random stuff in it for now. And then over here I have my Groot little Funko I showed you guys, and then I'm just burning the 'Tis the Season candle. Definitely one of my favorites this year. It smells so good. And then just this little white tree that I already owned. So this frame just looks so cute with all the red. I was gonna add that same garland that I got over here and put it like around the pole for the curtain rod, or maybe around these windows, but I'm gonna keep it plain for now. So I also got this sign from Rite Aid. Rite Aid had really cute decorations for a good price. Everything was on sale. Here's where we're keeping Olaf and Sven together on the typewriter. I added these two little Five Below trees next to each other with the Disney candle that I'm burning. I of course added the fake snow across the whole dresser, and these are where I put the little snowman string lights. These were also on sale, and these are so cute, so I definitely recommend getting these. Then on the right side of my TV I have the Michael's easel. just some picture frames and plants I already had up here. And then I just added this little reindeer that we already had on this little riser. I put the Letters to Santa mailbox over here, and I just stored the battery pack inside along with those same face masks I showed you guys. And then I just added the little H sign right here, and then we go back around to the door. I definitely added a few things from when I hauled, but I'm actually obsessed with how it looks. The lights really just add to the vibes. It looks super cozy. For sure, my favorite thing is the tree. I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute. I love how this looks next to the garland. I love how this looks. Everything I'm super pleased with. I think it just looks so cute. I'm definitely feeling the Christmas vibe. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like the room? I love it. I cannot wait to spend the rest of the holiday season in this room. There were definitely a ton more things that I could add to this room. I feel like you definitely get the Christmas spirit in here. I'm telling you guys, my mood has definitely changed just being in this space. I feel like your bedroom is your sanctuary. You want to feel good, and definitely with this year in specific, there are a lot of things going on that can make you feel not so good, and I think it's important to really focus on the things that make you feel good, whether it's lighting a candle, make you calm. I got the Yule cracking on the TV, and just the Christmas vibes really changed my mood, so I highly encourage you guys to do the same. Let's focus on the good. Let's focus on the meaning of Christmas, to spend it with your loved ones. I hope you guys are doing well. I don't want to get too sappy. I just wanted to show you guys my room. I'm obsessed with it, so thank you again for being here with me on this little journey, and I will see you guys in my next video.